fucking dragon? What? Hey everybody, my name is HardDuckMan. HardDuckMan. Welcome to Spot H9. There's no details to this game, and the game itself is just called Parking Lot. I saw glimpses of people getting the shit scared out of them, so I thought I'd play it. What can be freaky about a parking lot?
I need to check my ticket first.
Do I use ticket machine here? Is this ticket machine? I bet it is awesome. Is there controls? No, apparently if I press escape, it just brings me back to the main menu. Cool.
I need to check my ticket first.
Yes, I do gotta go check my ticket. For my vehicle? Oh, there we go. Let's check the ticket. H9. That's us. Wait, St. John?
Okay, so that's...
I was born in St. John. So it's good? That's great.
No.
What? What's...
Oh, shit.
Yeah, oh fuck.
Okay, I need some light.
Press space to toggle your phone. Toggle the phone. Press left button to check for your car. Left mouse button? It's that way. It's in that direction. Okay. We gotta go to a car. Who turned the fucking lights off? Huh? Don't you see I'm just a man trying to get my vehicle? Aren't the lights supposed to be on?
Hello? Who's that?
Who? I'm an owl. I'm an owl. Be scared. Here's my car. My car is that way. Let's go to my car, huh? Yeah, let's go to my car. Can I turn my light off? I feel like I should turn my phone light off. Kinda spooked.
I'm alone and scared. I lost my mommy.
Fuck your mom! Fuck your mom!
You're not afraid of the dark, are you?
Yes, that's why I'm having a flashlight.
Of course not.
Behind you, look.
Oh. Where did you go?
I fucking love this guy's voice acting so much. I literally love it with a passion. Dude, fuck your mom. Literally, fuck your mom. Sorry, but fuck your mom, dude. Your mom? Terrible parent. Is someone carjacking me? Oh, hey. Don't hit me. Ooh. Jesus Christ. Okay, don't mind me. I'm almost at my car, people. I know this is probably one of those, reality TV shows. What would you do when a guy's gonna walk out and he's gonna slap me on the ass and be like, "Hey, dude, you did great. This is hilarious. We'll give you $20 for being in this episode." I don't want to be in your episode. I just want to go home. I have food in the oven. This shit's gonna overcook. Have you ever had overcooked turkey? It's gonna be dry as hell. Where's my car? Where is it? I passed it? Wait. Okay. My car is right there. Let's go to my car. Let's go to my car. Let's go home. Make sure my turkey doesn't overcook. I don't want...
What the hell?
What the fuck is that? I thought you were doing a dance. Ma'am, what the fuck was that? Ma'am, what the fuck was that? Ma'am, what the fuck was that? It looks like she was about to do that Thanos twerk dance. I swear to God, my car is moving. That shit was... No, it's definitely moving. It's definitely moving. That's what's happening. Oh, I knew I wasn't crazy. The car is moving. My magical car! Magical car! Da-da-da-da-da. What the fuck is happening? Has it been moving? Wait, E3... Haven't I been here? It's gotta be moving. I'm not crazy. You're crazy. You're crazy. I'm not crazy. I'm sane. I'm a sane man. I'm a sane man. Let's just honk a car. There she is, baby! There's my car! Let me in my car! I mean, I've seen some crazy shit in this place, but the craziest shit is seeing my car close to me. What the fuck? No. What the fuck? What is that? How does my car just move? I didn't even hear it. It just got up and moved. I'm going in circles at this point. This is my car. Let me in my fucking car. What is that? What is that? Okay, I'm going back. Fine. Fine. Going back to my car. Fine. It's just, I'm stuck in a car parking lot loop. You don't want to get yourself stuck in those car parking lot loops. They really suck, let me tell you. You're experiencing it firsthand with me. This sucks balls. This is some huge papagankus. Habadaglu. You're right behind me. Good. Ah! Why did I conk my horn? I was so mentally prepared for that spider. And then it jumped at me. Where my car? You better not. Stop moving on me. I see you down there. Stop fucking moving. Okay? Okay. Let me get home. It's already dry. The turkey's already dry at this point. You've already ruined my night. My night has been destroyed because of you. You're a monster. You're a monster for ruining my meat turkey. What the fuck? What the fuck? What am I doing wrong? I hear
Who's
someone.
that?
Hey, who is there?
Hello?
Hello? Any weird motherfuckers? There's definitely some weird motherfuckers. I'm just here again. You're just playing with me at this point. You think I'm a joke? You think I'm a idiot? You think I'm a dummy? Well, you shouldn't, because that's rude. You should always think good things about people. Car? Hey, I know sometimes I don't treat you the best. I don't give you that premium quality, triple charge gas. But that doesn't mean we can't be friends. I know you set up this whole thing with all the monsters and the scares. You could get away from me and get a break. You know, I didn't realize I was affecting you that much, bro. Let's talk about this. Let's work it out together as friends, please. We can do this together if we try. Please? Kari, come talk to me. Sedan. Your name's Dan. You're a sedan. I don't know what kind of car that is. A Mini Cooper? Don't you laugh! Kari, can you pull away the creepy people now? I kind of just want to... A fucking dragon? What? How many things are in this parking lot? You're still there. Don't move. I'm almost right there. Don't move. Don't move. Just stay there. You stay there. You stay there, alright? You stay there. I swear to God if you move. You motherfucker! You motherfucker! You just keep on moving! Well, you got all these props set up to scare me, huh? You're trying to drag me around the parking lot so I can see each and every one. Clark, let's talk this through, okay? Because this is not healthy what we're doing. Any good relationship, you gotta break even. I'm sorry. I don't know if I can buy you the triple quality priced gas, because I'm broke. Especially, I'm not gonna eat dinner tonight, because now it's overcooked. But just trust me, okay? We can work this out. We can. Me and you. I can... Please... The spider again? Again? Oh, God. Ah! Fuck you, dude. Fuck that spider, dude. Fuck that fucking spider, dude. I want to try taking different paths to get to the car. Maybe I have to juke it out. Kari. You son of a bitch! I'm taking a different path this time. I don't care. Don't care. Kari, I'm getting a little upset. I actually have to use the washroom now. Okay, I gotta piss. I gotta poo. I gotta piss and poo. Okay, and I don't want video footage of me pissing and pooing in a parking garage. That's nasty, okay? If we can just go home, I'll get you that double price fuel. It's not as good as the triple price, but it's better than what I've been giving you. We'll take you to the car wash. I'll get your seats cleaned. I'll take you to the mechanic. It'll be glorious. Car pedicure. That's what they call the mechanics, right? Yeah. Hello? Hello? No? Oh, Kari, you're still. Thank you, God. Thank God you're still there. Now, please. Please, I love you. Let's go home. Okay? I get it. This was all just a weird way of saying how much I've hurt you. I'm really sorry. I am so sorry, Kari. I've mistreated you. I've been a bad car owner. I have. And I realize that. I want to make it up to you. Oh, shit. I can climb cars. That's pretty cool. So just stay there. Oh, my God. Yeah, just stay there. Just stay there. Just stay there. Just stay there. Yeah. Just stay there. Oh my goodness. Please? Oh! It's a walking simulator! Why? Why am I entertained by this too? Why is this entertaining me? Why am I entertained? Oh! Wait, is it my spot? Wait, hold up. My spot is H9. I should be looking for H9. That's what I should be doing. Where is H9? E, yeah. See the E. I just need an F and a G. I need an F and a G. F. You see the E, F, G, H. Go fuck yourself. I'll kill you. I'll kill a
You're
child.
going to die in there. Don't say I didn't warn you.
In my car? So my car... It is my car killing me! Whatever, I don't care at this point. Just let me go, my car. If I gotta die, let me die with Kari. Saying sorry one last time. One last time. Kari. You guys just saw that, right? What the fuck was that? What was that? I was at H9, and then it flipped me around. So H9 is at the opposite corner again, isn't it? What the fuck is happening? I've been recording for almost 20 minutes of me walking around in a car parking garage. Am I even progressing? I mean, the little girl said I was gonna die. So that seems like progress. Kids are threatening my life now. That's pretty sick. I love when little children are threatening my life. That's pretty awesome. At this point, I don't even need to ring the buzzer. I know where it is. Wow. G7. How about you G or G or glump on my glunk? Got him, baby. Oh my god, and it's gonna switch. It's gonna switch, isn't it? It's gonna switch. H9. Here's my car. Oh shit, it's my car. It was at the beginning the whole time. What the fuck is that thing? It's a fucking Tyrannosaurus Rex! And that is how it might end. Being eaten by a dragon in a parking hall. Keep that in mind next time you go shopping. Beware of parking dragons. So it wasn't the car at all. It was just, this was just normal parking hall stuff. What the fuck was that? What was? I gotta be honest. I know we kind of just walked around for 20 minutes, but I really, really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. Maybe I should go do it in real life sometimes. Just go walking out a parking lot. That sounds like a great idea. That was Spot H9. That was creative. I liked it. It was different. Very different. It was cool. Awesome. Good game. I just got confused if I was actually making progress or not for half the time. I wasn't sure. I thought I was just going in circles. But if you guys liked today's video, like, comment your favorite part of the video, what you thought was the funniest and or scariest. Turn on post notifications if you want to be reminded of whenever I post. Subscribe to be part of the channel. I love you. I love you for watching these videos with me. Thank you. You mean the world. You mean the world. And with all that said, I'll see you guys in whatever I do next. Peace, peace.